Light bulbs, you plug them in and you forget about them until they die. Then you change them and move on with your incandescent life. They can be harsh and even give you headaches. And even the new soft white LED models are just boring. I'm excited about the state of lights these days, and you will be too once you see these lights from Philips. And no, I'm not at a disco, I'm at a home, a smart home. We're looking at the Philips Hue ecosystem, and the best way to start with it is to get the starter kit. You'll get 3 multicolored bulbs and a bridge, which connects to your Wi-Fi network and makes these bulbs so magical. These are in their 3rd generation, and the cyan, green, and blue, they're more rich, and they've really improved the app as well. You might be thinking, big deal, it's a goofy novelty, but I'm here to say no, this is actually useful and amazing. You can preset all kinds of lights for whatever you need, whether it's gaming, sitting back and relaxing, movie night, getting the party started, or even my favorite, a nap. The cool thing with Hue is how it works with virtually every smart home system out there. IFTTT, Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Cortana, SmartThings, and my smart home gadget of choice, Google Home. I love this thing with the Hue ecosystem. Hey Google, turn the lights red.
You got it, changing 8 lights to red.
Hey Google, turn the lights blue.
You got it, changing 8 lights to blue.
Pretty cool, eh? As with all ecosystems, the more you can invest, the more you get out of it. I recommend getting the Hue switch. You don't have to wire it in to replace a light switch, as it can attach anywhere you want. You can add and control up to 10 lights. And hey, take the switch off the wall and carry it like a remote. Just don't lose it in the couch like the rest of your remotes. As I said, the Hue's been around long enough for a 3rd generation release. They've really ironed out a lot of the kinks, and it's a pretty mature system now. I love the geekiness of, say, managing a family by making the bulbs red when it's bedtime, for instance. I'm not a fan of being locked into an ecosystem, but when it comes to lights, I think it's close to a no-brainer to go for Hue for your lighting needs. And if you don't have lighting needs, this will be something that once you have, you won't understand how you lived without smart lights before. It's addictive and fun.